Justin Crawford, 86 Suzuki Samurai from Tracy, California. Oh. Justin Crawford, grew up in the Bay Area, moved to Tracy, California. This is my 86. Started as an 86. It's kind of in between Samurai, Buggy now. So started as an 86 Samurai. We like to party out Rubicon, Fort Ice, anywhere we like to go. Swapped out the 1.3 liter to the 16 valve 1.6 fuel injected. Still kept the stock Samurai 5-speed. Wanted to save a little bit of cash for now. Still stock Samurai transfer case, but I went with Trail Tough built 6.4 to 1. The Twisted T. Toyota axles, first gen. 4-link the rear, 3-link the front. Stretched the frame. I think it was like 18 inches. So I think I'm pretty close to like 102 wheelbase, running 42s, 1550s, coils in the rear, Fox nitrogen in the front. My preferred wheeling is definitely slow motion rock crawling. I don't like to go fast. I like to keep it low gear and just let her eat. A little bit of snow wheeling on when I have the time, but mostly I'm out in the summertime on the rocks. The best terrain the Samurai handles right now in this setup is snow. It absolutely can go anywhere, from the tires to weight ratio, kills it in the snow. I struggle in the rocks. Too big of tire to gear ratio, but we'll work it out. Haven't really broken much on the Samurai besides ripping a drain plug out on a diff drag. And I had to come up with a way to fill it through the breather tube on the axle. Favorite modification to the Samurai Buggy, hands down, full hydraulic steering. It is just night and day difference. I could just tell it where to go and it's going. Tires are moving, gone. If I could go back and change one thing about the build, I would have probably put a bigger motor in it. A little bit more horsepower so I could do a little bit better with the 42s. Best value mod by far was all of the side canopy shade pieces I made, and with the top. Built them with my mom too, so we cut the netting, stitched everything together, so son mother time, it was great. Next modification on the Samurai, I will be ripping the coils out of the rear and putting nitrogen shocks, 14-inch travels in the rear. First reaction of other wheelers is instantly is the 42-inch tires on the Toyota axles, and if I break anything, they're jobs. The Samurai is a personal favorite of mine, and I don't think I will ever sell this rig. And I also just got the tattoo of the Samurai done too. So yeah, I don't think I'll ever sell it. It'll always be going through different phases of build stages, and I'll keep it. My advice to anyone trying to build a Samurai like this, definitely be in touch with Trail Tough. Definitely reach out to little Samurai groups. The community of the Samurai is insane. Everyone's willing to tell you what they know and just give you information and try to steer you the right way. So just kind of be around good company to help you, guide you if you're just getting into it. But just do a lot of reading and just do your research, and it's pretty much, there's a lot of info on these. You could do anything, so just do a little bit of research.